Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, LED headlights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.